As you're learning and exploring Salesforce, you'll find it easy to utilize the leads records if you're already familiar with what a lead is. Leads are like a starting line for your business. They're people who have shown interest in your business, but they're not quite customers yet. They'll need to be vetted and likely marketed to first. In Free Suite, you'll find your leads under the Sales application. If you have existing leads in a spreadsheet, you have the option to easily import them. Leads can be viewed as a list, or you can use the Kanban view to see them by their stages. Leads are an important part of your sales and marketing processes within Salesforce. They have a different function from your contacts and accounts, which are more representative of your verified business relationships. Leads are where you can determine if a potential prospect will be a fit for your business. The key feature for establishing a process around your leads within Salesforce are the lead stages. Lead stages help you stay organized by keeping a record of if the lead is new, if they've been contacted, if they're being nurtured, if they end up being unqualified, or if they are qualified, in which case they can be converted in Salesforce into a contact and an account to become one of your customers. You can nurture leads in Salesforce in a number of ways. For example, leads marked as new might best benefit from a welcome email outreach that shares more details about your business, while leads marked as qualified may benefit from a phone call to convert into a sales opportunity. And of course, you can log these calls to keep a record of all your interactions with your leads. Salesforce's Free Suite helps keep all of these details organized and ready to be used in a way that's best for your business, whether you're just starting out or enhancing the processes that you have in place.